In this video, we'll quickly connect Splunk with Endpoint Central Cloud using the app. Once set up, you can view action logs and vulnerability data right inside Splunk. Simple, clean, and all in one place. Ensure you have admin access for Splunk and Endpoint Central Cloud. For on-prem Splunk, make sure it has internet access to reach Endpoint Central Cloud. That's all you need to get started. Now log into Splunk. Then navigate to the Apps section and click Find More Apps. Now search for Endpoint Central. Install the Endpoint Central app from Splunk Base. After installation, the Endpoint Central add-on appears under Home in the Apps section. Now open the add-on, add a new configuration, enter a unique name for the configuration, and choose the deployment type as Endpoint Central Cloud. Then select the instance URL for your data center. To generate the authentication file, open the help documentation. Copy the required OAuth scopes provided. Once it's done, navigate to the Developer Console. Sign in using your Endpoint Central admin credentials. Then, create a new self-client. Under the Scope section, paste the copied OAuth scopes. Then generate and download the authentication file. Now, go back to the Splunk configuration page. Upload the authentication file downloaded. Finally, select the data inputs to enable the integration. Then, add the configuration. To start fetching data, head to the Inputs section. You'll see the data inputs already created. Here you can adjust the fetch interval and choose the index for the data. By default, the data is stored in the default index. Now simply enable the input. That's it. Splunk will start pulling data from Endpoint Central Cloud right away. To explore Endpoint Central data, head over to Search. Open Data Summary. Choose the relevant source types. You'll find both action log and vulnerability source types here. Select what you want to analyze, and your data appears instantly. Also, you can view all your Endpoint Central data directly from the Dashboard section in Splunk. Under Action Logs, pre-built dashboards show console and deployment activities, making it easy to track who did what and when. Under Vulnerability, you can see open and closed vulnerabilities with a clear severity-wise summary, helping you focus on what matters most. With these ready-to-use dashboards, you don't need to build anything from scratch. Just open, explore, and act.